I'm going to install the new door that we built yesterday on my pig pen, and you can see my pig pen here. First thing I do.
Your sheep pen.
What'd I say?
Pig pen.
Well, that's why I bought the boss down here, so she can keep me straight. Let me readjust my camera. So, down at the sheep pen, and we gotta take the side off here. Start with it. And we will put it back. All right. We'll go ahead and take this door off. And that's why I got help down here, because I want to make sure these sheep don't run out.
I need to hold it.
Oh. I'll be able to set it off.
You got that now?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like a little latch.
Oh, here.
Come towards me, yeah. There we go. Let's see how it shuts here. Looks like I want to move everything.
Can we try to move it over?
It won't come. Oh, shit. Right in that. Oh, boy. Let me take this back out.
I'll do that one first.
Can you? Yeah, right there. All right. Let's see. Well, I can pull this. Put this on.
Barely hitting.
Just a second. Just the attitude here.
You got a little bit now. Look at it, they're hitting at the very bottom here.
Really needs to go up, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Then you're going to run into that. So you have to probably cut that a little bit, won't you?
Yeah.
Like you did this one. All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Might as well make it right. gonna be the whole video just putting up a door. But we'll run out.
I'm not. It's the charm, right?
Let's see.
Make sure you hold it. Make sure what's that?
It ain't gotta be perfect. It's not like we come in and out every day.
This side.
Yeah.
Will that matter?
I'm gonna raise
Once
it.
you get that up, I can pull it up.
There you go.
Right.
I like it.
Yep.
I like it a lot. Looks nice, don't it?
Yeah, it looks real good.
I was telling them yesterday in the video that might want to do kind of like something like this in the barn.
Mm.
Full disclosure, I did put a few screws in there. But I don't think I really, after doing it, I don't think I needed to because like when I cut those things, that Lexel had a pretty good little hold on that Lexel, pretty good stuff. All right, where you want that, dear?
Probably like that, don't you think? No, it's straight. I just put it up there.
Sit back. Kind of hard to tell because of the slope.
Yeah, no. I think it looks pretty good. Maybe just a tad to the right, the bottom. Yeah, like that. Good.
Yep. All righty. There you go. I'm really happy with this. I think everything I did pretty much did it was all right. Like I said, I ain't got very much money in it. $6, I think. Not counting that sign now. That sign was probably 40.
No, I got it declared.
So, okay, we're through now, and with this project, we're gonna go down and we're supposed to get a real hard freeze for the next 2 days. So we're gonna go down and pull our carrots real quick before the freeze comes. So I don't know how many we got exactly. I pulled some the other day, a few. So we'll go down there. And we're just gonna pull them all. Might put something over the little ones to. I don't know if it'll help them or not, but we're gonna go down and look at it. All right, so let's go down to the carrots. We got these 3 beds, or 2.5 beds, I guess. Harvest them all. Get these beds. Playing something all off. So we're gonna go ahead and pull them all, see what we got. We'll probably freeze them one day next couple of days because it's gonna be so cold, you know.
Yeah. This is the best carrots we've ever grown.
Wow, look at that.
I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I've got it in the right angle for the camera.
These over here didn't do good. That's good.
Yeah.
What's I pulled some of these the other day. These are about like this, they're not very big. They're still good to eat.
Yeah. Look at this one.
Holy cow.
It's short and fat.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. I don't know if that'll be good, but
That ain't no good. We'll have to
looks like it's all grown together.
eat this. These are all real good.
Are they? That's a nice one. Look here.
Wow, look at this one.
We're excited. We never get carrots like that.
We're doing pretty good back to summer.
Well, I mean,
This is the first year.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get these. Some of these are little, but I'm gonna get some of the. Still eat them.
Kind of
I should pull this kind of back and put my face.
You gonna freeze all these?
I think I am.
Well, we might show that on a video next day or two.
Yeah. And you don't think any of this will be any good if we cut some of it off?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Either look.
We got them all. We got this whole 5-gallon bucket almost full to the top. And boy, it smells like carrots. So we got to work. You got your work cut out for you.
Yeah.
We'll have to cut them up and freeze
Wash 'em
them.
and cut 'em up.
Huh?
Wash them.
Wash them, freeze them. What else you do?
I think I blanched these a little bit. Blanch them.
Blanch them, then you vacuum seal them, right?
Yeah. Dry them real
Then you
good
put
and
'em in the
vacuum.
freezer.
Yeah.
All right, we got quite a bit accomplished in a short time. We got the door on the sheep pen. We got all the carrots harvested.
Yeah.
And we got to get ready for that cold weather.
This
All
is
right.
the ones that's going to cover over here.
Yeah, these over here, I might cover them, I might not. These over here, they say you can overwinter carrots. I don't know exactly what that means, so. Hopefully they give us a start on the spring though. We'll have something
Yeah.
good to sell.
Be nice.
All right, we're gonna go put these up. We got some other things to do, so I'm gonna go do my chores and get ready. We gotta go to a church thing tonight. So anyway, give us a thumbs up.
Support your local farmer.
Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down at the farm tomorrow in the next video.
Bye.